Now example we are having 10 friends were invited for a party, and suppose I have invited 10 friends, so I will be the host and remaining 10 will be my friends. Okay, in how many ways? Number 1, the host along 10 friends be seated around a circular table. Number 2, two particular friends be seated on either side of the host. Okay, so I will just be explaining you in two different ways. Now number 1, let it be one host and 10 friends is equal to total 11 friends. First thing. Okay. Now sorry, number 1, let us first fix the seat of a host. Now on the circular table, host is already seated, means that seat is fixed. Now remaining 10 friends will be sitting in how many ways? Now remaining 10 friends can be seated in 10 factorial ways. Is it clear? So one thing is 10 factorial ways, that is the answer. Now by the circular permutation, Pn is equal to 11 minus 1 factorial ways n minus 1. Okay, so this becomes 10 factorial ways. So we are having, either you can go for this part or you can directly write this part. Total are 11. So along the circular table, what will be the permutation? That will be 10 factorial ways. Okay, so this is the answer for the first part, and this is also the answer, one and the same thing. Now going for the second part. Number 2. Now what they have given? Two particular friends be seated on either side of the host. Now when two particular friends are seated on either side of the host, when two particular friends are seated on either side of the host, then they can sit in 2 factorial ways. Okay, suppose this is the host. Okay, this is the table, here host is fixed. Now suppose here is sitting Ram and here is sitting Shyam. Second option what can be? Shyam can sit here and Ram can sit here. So there are two options, two ways for them. Now remaining 8 friends can be seated in 8 factorial ways. Therefore, required permutation is equal to 2 factorial times 8 factorial. This is the answer. Now second option what we are having? Now doing directly by circular permutation, two friends on either side of host, that is 2 factorial ways. One thing, now host has not been counted, only just imagine that two friends are sitting on either side of the host. Now remaining 9, now 2 are already here, remaining 9 means what? Including host can be seated in 9 minus 1 factorial ways. Okay, then required permutation. Is equal to 2 factorial times 9 minus 1 factorial. This is 2 factorial times 8 factorial. Answer. Okay. So now you can check it again. We are having by the circular permutation or directly we are doing one and the same thing. So like this we can directly use